Good everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix if your Microsoft Excel is opening a blank gray screen or an empty document. Now, there are a couple of steps which you could try to get this issue resolved. Now, the first step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and disable DDE and hardware acceleration. To do this, you will have to open Excel. To open Excel, either you can click on the Excel icon or you can press Start Run and then type Excel. Once you have the Excel open, if you're on a blank document, you will have to click on File. Otherwise, if you're on the startup window, you may click on the options. Once you're on the options, click on the Advanced tab. On the right hand side, check and look for the display section. Under display section, in case if you find hardware acceleration, you can go ahead and uncheck the box for the hardware acceleration. In case if you don't find hardware acceleration, you can ignore that step and locate General tab. Scroll down to locate General tab. Under General tab, make sure you have Ignore other applications that use dynamic data exchange box being unchecked. So basically, if it is checked, you will have to uncheck the box and then click on OK. Once this is done, you may close Excel and then try to open Excel and check if your issue has been resolved. In case if your issue has been resolved, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next step, what you could do is, if you're still seeing the Excel document gray in color, you can go ahead and unhide the workbook. So basically, if the app opens but the data is missing, you can go to the View tab and then under the Windows section, you can check the box which says Unhide. Basically, if you have hidden any workbook, that's the reason you would see the Excel file gray in color. You may click on OK. That should also display the hidden sheets, or else at the bottom left corner, you can do a right click and then click on Unhide. You would also able to locate the hidden sheet and enable those hidden sheet which has got data. So this should definitely fix the problem. In spite of trying all this step, if you're still facing a problem, now the next thing what you could do is you can go ahead and disable the faulty add-ins. To disable the faulty add-ins, you will have to open the Excel program or Excel document. Click on File at the top left corner of your Excel and then click on Options. Under Options, you would locate add-ins on the left hand side. Click on Add-ins and then on the right hand side, you will see an option which says Manage. Click on the drop down list and locate for COM add-ins and then click on OK. In case if there are any add-ins which are not associated or the third-party add-ins are listed here, you may go ahead and disable those add-ins. As a best practice, I would suggest you to go ahead and uncheck all the box for these add-ins so that these add-ins are disabled completely. Click on OK, close Excel and then try to open Excel and check if your issue has been resolved. In case if your issue has been resolved, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. The next step, what you could do is you can try to repair your Office installation. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the Start button and then click on Run. In the Run window, you may go ahead and type appwiz.cpl. Now this is the shortcut command to open the Programs and Features window. Click on OK. This should take you to the Programs and Features window. Once you open the Programs and Features window, in this you will see the list of programs which are currently installed on your computer. In this list, you will have to locate your Office installation or the Office setup. In my case, I'm using Microsoft 365 apps for business. It could be Office 2010 or 2019 in your case. So you will have to locate that. You will have to highlight the Office and then click on Change. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on Yes or Continue on the screen. Now here you would get a prompt saying that how would you like to repair your Office or the Office program. So you would have two options, quick repair and the online repair. Do not go for a quick repair. Instead, go for an online repair so that it does the complete repair of your Office. It will take some time depending on the speed of your computer and the speed of the internet. Once you click on online repair, click on repair, wait for the repair to complete, close all the applications, restart your computer and then try to launch Excel and check if your issue has been resolved. So all this steps should definitely fix the problem. In spite of trying all this step, if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.